In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with the laptop speakers is having no sound but headphone is working fine, but I don't have any sound in the speakers and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if you're having any kind of trouble with the sound from the headphones is fine, but no having any sound in the speaker, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go over here in the taskbar and you can see the speaker icon here. You have to right click and from here navigate to the sound setting. Now from here what you need to do is make sure the output, and over here in the output you have to select the right device. That's what's the most important thing. For me over here in the output I have really selected the speaker, which is my output device, and I've selected it. And also go for the volume and make sure that you set this to either 100 or 70. And once you're done with this one, you have to scroll it down all the way down. And from here, what you need to do is click on the more sound setting. And right now, from here, go to the playback. And what you need to do is you have to find the default devices here. So over here, as you can see in my case, you can see this is my speaker. So there are a few things that I need to make sure while I'm doing this. One, I have to right click and make sure that this is being set as a default device. For some reasons, if you're not hearing the sound through the speaker, it might have disabled. So just right click and cross check. You can see we have a disable option, which means it is currently enabled. Then make sure that you have set this as a default one. Once you set this as a default one, this is what we have to do. Now we have to go to the properties, and what you need to do is we have to go over here and we have to check few things first, make sure the levels and everything is there. And also you have to go to the advanced over here as well. Once you go to the advanced, what you need to do is just make sure that you have to put a check on these two boxes, and also make sure the right medium is selected here for the default format. We have two options. You can go for the higher the value, and once you set this up, you can just go for it OK, and you have to close this, and you can just close this as well, and you have to check. If not, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the start, right click, and from here navigate to the device manager. Now from here we have to make few more changes in order to check it. So what you need to do is the first one, we have to go over here and find mice and other pointing devices. Sometimes you have to check in that way, not that, sorry. What you need to do is we have to go over here. Now from here we have to find sound, video and game controllers, and from here you have to find your drive. So in my case, this high definition audio driver is my driver. So I have to right click and go to update driver. Click on browse my computer, go for let me pick, and from here I have to select the right device and go for the next. And after the update is successfully done, I have to check. If not, what I need to do is I just need to try one more thing. From here I have to right click and go for uninstall or uninstall the device, which will be completely disabling my audio device. And after uninstalling, I just need to close this and go back, click on the start, and you have to go over here, do a restart. While doing a restart, while restart in the process will install it, when the restart is done, it will be automatically installed back, and this is how we can check it. So these are the steps, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.